The government yesterday reported 18 new cases of COVID, with another nurse in Bangkok infected and quarantined. It's expected that she was one of the handful that met up with a single nurse who'd contracted the virus and passed it on, and all 6 have been quarantined. With nurses carrying out the tough frontline job of regular checks on arrivees, let's hope that their accommodation is the very best. 850 medical staff have been tested this week following the limited outbreak. All others passed muster. Other cases, all in quarantine, came from numerous countries overseas. Siriraj Hospital reports that the coronavirus strain that's racking Burma is a different strain to that originally discovered in China. The new strain transmits at a faster rate and is similar to that found in Western countries. Extra forces and drones now cover most of the border between Thailand and Burma after the past few weeks showed people sneaking in and avoiding quarantine. In Yala, 7 ex-cops have been jailed after courts found that they had extorted money from drug dealers, taking their stashes and then reselling them back to drug users. 8 years in jail for a policeman will take its toll, but that's the sentence handed down, along with huge fines. Drug dealers had reported them to authorities who took swift action. Meanwhile at home, and shoppers are advised to watch carefully in smaller supermarket groups where freezers have been spotted actually not freezing. A danger to all when meat is defrosted and then refrozen. One store manager told us that she'd reported the problem to her bosses hours ago, but the store left the thawed food open for sale. Those temperature checks? Well, all freezers show readings on the front. There's a digital readout. And a freezer should be at least minus 17 degrees for health purposes. Telegraph poles and cables are being removed on North Pattaya Road, this as the cable burying continues. Close to 200 will be gone before Christmas, we're told, all part of the ugly cable removal plans that have been carried out in many parts of the city. The 3-day Thailand Street Food Festival 2020 kicks off today as the 3-day weekend begins. Expected to be a huge draw for out-of-towners, the wide variety of food will be on sale until Sunday. And good news for drivers, as the motorways have been toll-free since yesterday, so even if you're escaping yourself, there's a saving for you too. A gambling ring has been blamed for the killing of a motorcycle taxi driver 3 months ago. At the time, 2 men were nabbed and claimed they'd shot him because they'd had a falling out. The man's family didn't believe the tale and worked with police to unravel the man's past dealings with an illegal casino operation here in the city. This week has seen 2 Thai heavies who worked for the underground gambling den arrested and charged with ordering the killing after reports reached the owners that the dead man had taken photographs inside their casino operation. Those owners are said to also be on the wanted list. Winners of our midweek cruise, given away last week, have yet to be informed of a date for the event. That's not down to slow working here or by the charter company, but due to weather, as they're waiting for advance reports of less wind and more sun. All winners will be advised as soon as we know. And with the reminder, mitts, masks and meters. Wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distancing. And the Met Office promising highs today of 32, dropping down to 22 tonight. A sunny day, but it's going to be chilly later on. That is the local and national news from Fab FM. For videos and, of course, to keep up with Fabulous Pattaya, visit alwayspattaya.com.